G'day guys, we're on the beach. Although we're back down on Waipinga again, but I'm actually down at the other end of the beach for a change. There's the end we've usually fished at, down there, but now I'm right up the other end, the Victor Harbour end you might say. Right in front of me here I got a real nice looking spot. There's a sandbar out there you can see the waves breaking on. Just in here, right on the edge here, a little bit of a deep channel coming around the corner on the edge of them waves there. And then it goes out to sea. And it's lovely. You all know how rough the week has been. It's been rough as guts. It's finally calmed down a little bit. So as usual, I want to feed a fish really bad, so let's see what we can do. Same rigs as usual. You can look back at my other rigs if you like. I do have videos how to rig up, and it is a guide, only a guide. It's how I like to fish, and I like to think I'm trying to help you guys who are trying to learn how to fish. I like to think I'm giving you a hand, okay? There's lots of ways to fish. Let's do it. Less of the talk and let's catch some fish, okay? Okay. Let's get some bait on. Get that line out there. That usual way. Just roll my hooks in there. 1/0 hooks, that's all I use. Said that before. Half inch around the tail and the shank of the hook. I do, some don't, but I do. There you go. Just break it off. I think the bottom hook, my single 1/0, I think I'll put cockle on. Yeah, the water's calmed down a lot. Much better. Alright, just a couple of cockles on that 1/0 will be fine. Some burley in my spring. Help stir them fish up a little bit. Squash it in there. Rightio. Let's begin. Come on, fish. The sinker is only like a 2 ounce. One of them ones what I made. Let's go. There's loads of little fish there, but they're legal, so they're going home for a drive. Maybe we'll get some bigger ones, but hey, I just want to feed, to be honest. definitely do with the number 4 hooks, I reckon. There's loads of small fish there. But I shall stay on the Wanos. I'll get plenty what I need with the Wanos. Cockle gone. Did have another double header. Well, that's 3. I'm allowed 20. If I can get 20, I'm going to keep 20 and enjoy them. Yes, they'll be delicious. These small ones are nice and sweet. That's what happens when you don't use your swivel up. Lost my sinker. Let's go get another one. Okay, new sinker. And I did the swivel up this time. Flippin' heck. Oh well, at least I made everything myself. That didn't cost me too much money. Okay, I'm just putting one cockle on a Wano. 1 for 1. A little bit bigger. bed of fish we just lost. Yummy. I've been waiting for, a bit bigger. And he took both baits, cockle and pilchard. Very good. Took the cockle first, then swallowed, then the pilchard. Lovely. Excellent. Ah, miss. Right. Another bait. Lumpy. Yeah, they're not very big, but it's good to be catching some fish, I'll tell you. Happy days. Life's the beach. Yummy. Oh, my shoulder bag's got a little bit of weight in it now. Beauty. Well, it's Friday night and there's only 3 people on the beach, me and 2 others. One's 100 meters that way, the other one's 100 meters that way, and I'm in the middle, and I think we're all catching fish. Next, I really don't, it's nice to catch big fish, but at the end of the day, it's good just to catch some fish. It really is. Yum. Well, it's starting to go dark. I have got a light though. What's that look like? Look at that. Bright as. Anyway, it's starting to go dark. I've nearly got my bag limit. So 1 or 2 more and I'm going home. There's a bit of cockle on a double 1-0. Let's cast it out there. Well, that can be the last one. That'll do. Pretty happy with that. Got a nice feed. Well, we'll show you what I've caught and we'll get out of here. Well, at least that's a bit of a report on what's here at Waipinga. There's a lot of little fish, but they're legal, and obviously you can get a surprise with a big fish. So let's see what I've caught, and we'll go. Rightio. Always got to have the rod in the shot, haven't we? And a ruler. So let's see what I've got. Not bad actually. I reckon I've been here just over an hour. There we go. Oops. My little Tommy Rough. He nearly rolled away. Now what do you got? One Tommy, one nice salmon. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 17 small ones, one good one, and a Tommy Rough. Can't whinge about that. Alright, I'm going home. Thank you for watching. Like I said, I'm going to try and get some more fishing done. I've actually got some half videos completed. Well, no, half completed, and when they're done, I'll put them up, okay? And I've got a oldie from about 3 years ago, a little bit of trout fishing. All right, guys, thank you for watching. Take care of yourselves. Yeah, good feed on offer down Waipinga. Yeah, adios until next time. See you dudes. What a walk.